drop descends, the tone is born from shadows wound, creation's form.
I struck the wall, the silence fell, black rivers rose where echoes dwell.
Within the drop, I saw my skin, a voice unspoken deep within.
I breathe you in,
I breathe you in,
metallic air,
metallic air.
through rust and calm. I feel you there. The world ignites, begins to move, where every scar becomes a proof.
In crying curve, in trembling line, the fall becomes the flight divine. The color bleeds, the body sings, and what was torn now shapeless clings. Perhaps it's only rain that speaks, perhaps a heart the thunder sees. Yet every mark so dark, so clear, is more than pain, it's something near. I wrote myself through every trace, through every stream, through every space. No word, no end, just pulse and tone. A river wide that sings alone.
And if you see me, see your face from soil and storm, a new embrace.
The color lives, the call's begun. Be born again, begin as one. Dust awakes in breath and sound. A heart begins, the void unbound. A drop descends, the tone is born from shadows wound, creation's form.
I struck the wall, the silence fell, black rivers rose where echoes dwell.
Within the drop, I saw my skin, a voice unspoken deep within.
I breathe you in,
I breathe you in,
metallic metallic air, through rust and calm. I feel you there. The world ignites, begins to move, where every scar becomes a proof. In crying, curving, trembling line, the fall becomes the flight divine. The color bleeds, the body sings, and what was torn now shapeless clings. Perhaps it's only rain that speaks. Perhaps a heart the thunder sees. Yet every mark so dark, so clear, is more than pain. It's something near. I wrote myself through every trace, through every stream, through every space. No word, no end, just pulse and tone. A river wild that sings alone. And if you see me, see your face from soil and storm, a new embrace. The color left, the call's begun. Be born again, begin as one. Dust awakes in breath and sound. A heart begins, the void unbound. A drop descends, the tone is born from shadows wound. Creation's born. I struck the wall, the silence fell, black rivers rose, where echoes dwell. Within the drop, I saw my skin, a voice unspoken, deep within. I breathe you in, I breathe you in. Metallic air, through rust and calm. I feel you there. The world ignites, begins to move, where every scar becomes a proof. In crying, curving, trembling line, the fall becomes the flight divine. The color bleeds, the body sings, and what was torn now shapeless clings. Perhaps it's only rain that speaks.
everything